Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to add my story in Imo. Go to the Imo app from your apps list. Tap on the camera icon or My Story. You can take a new picture or you can select a picture from your gallery. Now tap on the Send button. And this picture is added as your story. Tap on My Story. You can set who can view your story. For this, tap on the settings icon beside My Story. From here, you can manage the story settings. So that is how you can add My Story in Imo. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.